Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 17th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective, looking at the chart, the stock price chart, to try to find patterns we can profit from. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, a very good day. 24.45 is the close. Up 65 cents, up 2.62%. Post-market, up 2 cents. Look at this here. So nice green candle. Whoops, with a wick at the bottom, no wick at the top. So this looks like a full steam ahead candle, and we broke above 24.80. So we had a double resistance, 24.50, 24.80, and we have had a hard time trying to break out of it. And now that's pretty nice. I'm very happy to see this. Yes, of course, you could say, well, okay, well, look, Pierre. It stopped at 25.45, which looks like pretty much the same number as the high of 2 days ago. And I would have to say, yes, what's your point? And you could say, well, my point is that there's also a resistance. This 25.45 was also in play on April 13th, and I would say yes, you're right. It was also in play. You catch my drift. So basically, yes, I know. There's a resistance at 25.45. There are resistance everywhere. You know, every single candle, when it stops at one point, the top of every candle is a resistance. Yes. Are we drawing all of these resistance? No, we are not drawing them all. So basically, at some point, we need to pick our battles and draw the resistance that seem to be the most important. So 24.50 was a very important one, and case in point, we stayed around that one for a long time. So we touched and touched and touched and touched and touched it. That 25.45 was in play maybe once here, a little bit there. Yes, it's there, but I choose to believe that it's not there, basically. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. Nice. So the day started right here. So we started under 24.80. Then boom, nice green candle. Then pull back to retest the resistance as support. So we retouched it and rebounded on it. So this made it a support. So this is now a support. It's no longer a resistance. It's now a support. And then the stock extends from support. So this is a perfect play. This is a perfect play. A perfect play is when the stock breaks out of a resistance, then comes back, because stocks always come back. They always move like this, and they stop. This, and they stop. And this, and they stop. And when they do this in a break of resistance, then this is a hard thing to play, because if you buy it there when it breaks resistance, there's always a risk because it's in the middle of its jump and it might come back. So you need to be careful a little bit. But if it does not come back and you wait until it comes back to buy, then it can stay there, and then you are waiting for it to come back, and then it can continue. So it's always tricky, you know. It's always tricky how to play that. But here in this case, it did a nice bounce on it, and the bounce was very short because it happened during the 1 hour chart. So I like that. I like that. Okay, in terms of indicators, everything is super great again. So stochastic at 98, cannot ask for much more. MACD crossed over a long time ago, and two lines are positive, and the DMI is positive. So, as I have been saying for about a week, we are close, or it's spread your wings. Spread your wings, Palantir. Let's just go. Let's just go and let's just eat popcorn and watch the show. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I produce a Tesla and Palantir video every single day. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. Thank you for Patreoning. If you like what I do, what does it cost? $5 a month for you to tell me that you want me to continue. And I hope you made more than $5 listening at my videos. Also, we have a Discord server that's completely free, and we have a TradingView affiliate link if you want to use TradingView and buy a paid plan. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.